Okay, question number 20. A steel ball is falling at a constant speed in oil. Okay, which is what? It has already attained a terminal velocity. Then which graph shows the variation in time of the gravitational potential energy? Now, when you say a ball is falling down, what happens to gravitational potential energy? Does normal potential energy keeps on decreasing? How does it decrease? This is given by mgh, no? So, as the value of h decreases, this also keeps on decreasing. So, GPE is proportional to h over here. Okay, potential energy is proportional to h. And the kinetic energy ek of the ball. Kinetic energy, what happens to kinetic energy? Kinetic energy will be a constant. Why constant? Because it has a constant speed, right? So it should be a constant. Now let us look at this. Kinetic energy is constant. Here you see it is not proportional to h. It is going in the form of a curve. Here it should be linearly proportional. So therefore this is incorrect. Now here this is the right one. Now if you look at this one here, what's happening? This is also incorrect because potential energy is increasing, kinetic energy is increasing, potential energy is decreasing. Wrong. So here you see, though potential energy curve is showing you the correct one over here, but the kinetic energy is increasing. So this is also incorrect. Okay. So that's the right answer is B over here.